it's Suzanne with FasterFunds Lending. I'm here with you for walking through a rental house. So we're over in Florissant, and our borrower found an amazing rental. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath house that honestly, outside of some of the stuff that you see in this room and some stuff in the bedrooms and basements, there's not much to do besides painting and a few minor tweaks. But when you're walking through a rental, it's good to always think about how can you maximize your budget, save the most money so you're not dumping, tons of money into a new rental purchase. So something you can always look for is hardwood floors. A lot of houses over in, honestly, most houses built in the 60s and 70s, you'll find hardwood typically in the living room, down the hallway, and a lot of times also in the bedrooms. So if you're wondering, are there hardwoods in this house? How do I look for those? All you have to do is go to an air return or go to a corner, and you can pull it up and you can see there's beautiful hardwood underneath this carpet. And the nice thing is this carpet is really padded, so the hardwood's probably been pretty protected. And based off of the purple coloring of this carpet, the purple carpet has probably been here for, honestly, since the house was likely built. So if you want to see if there's hardwoods, lift up the air returns. You can also always open up a closet door, or if you want to know if it's in the bedrooms as well, you can do the same thing with lifting up the air return, peeling back the carpet, and verifying there's hardwood. So that's your tip of the day. Thanks for listening. And if you're buying rentals, always remember, check for hardwoods. It'll save you a lot of maintenance money. Thanks.